Hey everyone, this is Dr. Dustin Hendrix. I'm going to take you through bird dogs. So this one we can actually show you a few different regressions and progressions. So basically what that means is we're going to show you the exercise that would be for beginner and intermediate and hard. So on bird dogs, the important thing is we want to keep the back from rotating. And so you'll notice I'm keeping a good, nice, straight posture on this one. We're breathing through the abdomen. And so what we're going to do on the first one is we're going to reach the hand. You notice how my back doesn't move? And to make this one a little harder, we'll alternate. So reach hand, alternate. So this is our beginner version of the bird dog. Okay. Now for our intermediate, we're going to do the same thing but with our legs. Okay. And so you'll notice on my legs here that I am not pointing up, because you notice how my back arches. So on my legs, I'm actually pointing out, so towards the wall. Okay, see how my spine doesn't move? And then the same thing, we can make that one hard too by going here. See how careful I am on the transitions? Okay, so that's our intermediate. And then our hard one is going to be a combo. And notice how my core stays still. And then you can switch. Okay, so these are our bird dogs.